In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a Google Drive file to an email on desktop, like PC or Mac. We'll walk through this inside Gmail, and the process is the same whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and click the Compose button to create a new message. A small message window appears in the corner. Add your recipient and a subject so everything stays organized, then look along the bottom row of icons in that Compose window. Find the triangular Google Drive icon that says Insert Files Using Drive when you hover over it, and click it. This opens a panel where you can browse everything in My Drive, as well as anything you have access to in shared drives. You can scroll, use the search bar at the top to quickly find a file by name, or switch tabs to Recent if you just created or uploaded the file. If you need to select more than one file, you can hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking. Now choose how you want to send the file. In the bottom right of that panel, you'll see two options. Drive Link sends a link to the file stored in Google Drive. This works for any Drive content, including Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and it's ideal when the file is large or when you want to keep a single source of truth that you can update later. Attachment sends the actual file as a traditional email attachment, but it only works for non-Google file types like PDFs, images, or videos, and only if the total size is 25 megabytes or less. Native Google files, like a Google Doc, always go as a Drive link because they live in the cloud. After you've selected the file and the sending method, click Insert. You'll see the file appear in your email either as a thumbnail attachment or as a Drive link. When you click Send, Gmail checks whether your recipients can access the file. If they don't have permission, you'll get a prompt to grant access. Choose View if you want them to read or download but not make changes, comment if you want feedback without altering the original, or edit if they need full editing rights. Confirm your choice, and Gmail will update the sharing settings for you as it sends the message. Before you finish, give your email a quick scan to make sure the correct files are attached or linked, and that your subject line clearly describes what you're sending. That's it, your Google Drive file is now on its way, safely and correctly shared from your desktop.